Hi everyone, this is Madhu again, and today I'm going to talk about cartridges. So I'm going to create a Hello World example and a set of new cartridges I will create and show you how to do your first Hello World application, and also tell you about cartridge path and the significance of the cartridge path. So if you see here, so this is my VS Code IDE, and I have installed a third-party plugin of Profit Debugger. So if you click on the extensions and you can search for Profit Debugger, and I have already installed it, but you can go ahead and install it because it is a great plugin. It is very good for deploying your code to your VM, as well as debugging your code, to upload your cartridges, to create cartridges. You will get some very handy options here. So I would suggest that you install it. So I have already installed it, and if you see here, I already have a cartridge section in my Profit Debugger. So this is a great way to create a new cartridge because a cartridge is supposed to have a set of defined structure, a set of folders which should be there in your cartridge, and you kind of create your files, your JS files or your ISML files inside those folders, and then deploy it. So this structure is important, and this Profit Debugger tool gives you a great way to kind of create it for you. The structure, it will create it for you. So if you see here the three dots, you get an option of create cartridge. So I will go ahead and show you how you can create a new cartridge. So when you select that option, it is asking for the folder where you will kind of create your cartridge. So I will create my cartridge in my cartridges folder, where all my cartridges for this workspace are present. So I gave that name. Next, it is going to ask you the cartridge ID. So this is your new cartridge name. So let me give a name like app underscore temp underscore hello. So this is the name of my cartridge, and now it is asking you to select the workspace folder. So I will select it, and that's it. So my cartridge is has been created for me. So you can check it by going to your Explorer. So if you go to your Explorer, and if you see here, so um, this is my folder, and the cartridges folder. Inside that I have several cartridges. So some of them I already created before, and if you see, then I also have my app temp hello cartridge here. Here it is. So let's focus on the structure of the cartridge first. So this is my newly created cartridge, and if you see, there is a subfolder called cartridge, and it has several folders like client, controllers. So controllers is the module, is the folder wherein all your controllers you will write. Forms is where you will write all your forms, and there are scripts, pipelines, templates where all your ISML files will go in. So if you see this structure, I didn't create it. So when I use that Profit Debugger option of creating the cartridge, so this is already created for me, and it's actually great. So if you don't need any folder, you can go ahead and delete it. You don't have to keep all the folders. But let me first show you. I'm going to create a new controller here, with the name of maybe Hello World Hello V5. Let's name it Hello V5 .js. So this is my new file that I'm creating in my new cartridge, and it is inside the controllers folder. So let's start to write uh, the code now. So use strict is just to enforce that it has a more stricter way of parsing the code. Now I will give where server, and I will try to include the servers module. So require is a function that you kind of that helps you to include modules from your application. So when you installed the base cartridge that I have shown before for the demo site, so it came with two default modules. Let me go and quickly show it. So if you see, so app storefront base. So this is something that is present as a part of your demo site. So it has already been given to you. So this is very useful because it gives you a baseline, and you can kind of customize on top of it. And also another thing that was included is the modules folder. So here is your server, and it has all the required middleware files that are needed for your code to work. So here what I'm doing is I'm just including or importing my server in my current cartridge. And then I'm going to specify a route. So server dot get, and then you kind of give your route name. So let me give show as my route name. I will once I deploy it, I'll show you that what this route means and what it signifies. Now I'm going to write my middleware function, which will have three parameters: request, response, and next. I think in our last video we kind of touch based upon what these means, but here I'm going to explain more. So these are the three kind of parameters that are a part of the middleware function that I'm going to create. I will do this is a very simple, just writing hello world. So I will do response dot print, and I will just include it as a H1 HTML thing, like hello world v5. Let's call it that because I created many hello worlds before as well. So let's name it this way. And then I'm going to call this next uh, function, which will tell the server that I am done executing my current middleware function. Now, one thing that we need to do is server dot export. Um, just let me quickly refer. So module dot exports is equal to server dot export. So what it is doing is it is kind of registering. Uh, it is kind of registering all the routes that you're defining in this file to your server. Okay. And just let me quickly verify. Yes, I think I'm good. So I'm going to save it now. So if you see that this is a very, very simple example. I just created a new cartridge. Inside the controller folder, I created a new JS file named hello v5. And here I just defined my route, show route. So whenever on the browser this route will be called, this show route will be called, ideally it should kind of display the hello world v5 message. So let's see if it works. Now I will go to the BM first, and since this is my new cartridge, right, I have not used this cartridge before. So let me first kind of define it or state it in my cartridge path. So this is my BM. So I will select my site for which I want it. So this is my refarc site or the demo site. I will choose administration and manage sites. Select the site as refarc because this is the one where I want to change or kind of add this cartridge to the cartridge path. And if you see here, so uh, this is already my cartridge path that is existing. So these are the list of cartridges that I have already kind of created, and it exists in my path. And if you go to the extreme right, you will see that there is a base cartridge already. So the way how it works is, why is cartridge path so important? Because the order of cartridge here plays an important role. So you separate multiple cartridges using a colon. However, when your when your code executes, then it will read your right cartridge and kind of give preference to your the ones that is defined as the first cartridge. So suppose I have here two cartridges already, that app underscore demo underscore hello colon app underscore custom underscore exercises. Now if I have a file named hello in both the cartridges, then app underscore demo underscore hello gets a preference because it is defined as our first cartridge. So that is why it is important to kind of place it in the right order if there is a chance that you are using the same file name in both the cartridges and the same route. So here my cartridge name is app underscore temp underscore hello. So let me just add it, app underscore temp underscore hello and colon, and click on apply. So it will apply, and if you see now, this cartridge is also available in my code, and this is the first cartridge now. Now let me go back to VS Code and try to upload this cartridge. So if you see here, let me see if the cartridge is showing up here. Let me quickly see. Yep. So if you see here, app uh, demo hello is showing. I will click on the upload cartridge button so that my cartridges are being uploaded now. Yeah. So if you see, all my cartridges are being uploaded. Yeah. So if you see here, app demo hello. So this was deleted and then added also. So all my cartridges are now deployed. So let me see. So click on, uh, sorry, I don't see the temp cartridge. Yeah, so the temp cartridge is there. Yes, app.temp.hello. Yeah, so demo underscore hello was the one that I created before, but app underscore temp underscore hello is the one that I created now. So it has been uploaded. So let's see. So here the best way to check is click on the toolkit. So when you click on the toolkit, by default, it is going to show you the home show which you have set it. But I need to call my hello v5 underscore show. Uh, was it this? Let me just quickly verify. So yes, the file name is hello v5. So this is my file name, and my route is show. So how it is significant is, you specify the file name underscore route, and that is the function that it is going to call, and it is execute the code. So yeah, see, hello world v5. So it just kind of prints the hello world v5 for you. So yeah, so this is pretty much how you can create a new cartridge, a simple new cartridge, and upload to your BM. So again, Profit Debugger is of great help. It lets you create the cartridge structure by default, and you don't have to wait for you don't have to create all the folders manually. Also reinstating that cartridge path plays an important role. So in my next video we are going to talk about overriding of routes. So meaning that I will show you that if I have the same file in both my in more than one of my cartridges, then how the application behaves, and how can we ensure that it is well overridden and we are not one is not conflicting with the other file. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening to me, and have a great day. See you soon.